Good evening, sir. I'm Rafael Corpus from 3ARB16. Introduction to Bucor. The Bureau of Correction. Bucor is an agency under the Department of Justice, DOJ. Sila yung responsible sa custody, safekeeping, and rehabilitation of national offenders, also known as person deprived of liberty, PDL, who have been sentenced to imprisonment for more than 3 years in plays vital role in the Philippines criminal justice system by ensuring that those convicted of crime serve their sentence and are given opportunities for rehabilitation. Parang yung Bucor, sir, sila yung responsible sa custody, tas safe ng mga PDL na prison na more than 3 years. Tas ini-ensure nila dun, sir, na yung mga convicted na yun ay tas yung sentence nila ay may opportunities for his rehabilitation. Role and mandate. Bucor primary legal mandate in the safekeeping and rehabilitation of national inmates. Safekeeping, ensuring inmates are provided with basic needs and are prevented from committing further crimes while in custody. Rehabilitation, implementing programs aimed at reforming inmates, preparing them for reintegration to society. Sinasabi dito, sir, yung safekeeping, yung ine-ensure ng Bucor yung maayos na lagay ng PDL, tas prevent nila na gumawa pa ng crime habang nasa custody pa nila. Tas yung sa rehabilitation naman, ina-implement na nila doon na yung mga inmates ay prepared na para bumalik sa society. The legal basis for Bucor mandate rooted in the Reorganization Act of 1905 and further defined by the Bureau of Correction. Custody, ensuring the secure confinement of inmates of national prison. Reformation, providing rehabilitation programs in criminal behavior and promote moral, spiritual, and personal growth. Re-entry, support preparing inmates reintegration into society through pre-relapse and post-relapse program. Yung sinasabi dito sa rin sa custody, parang in-ensure nila yung confinement ng inmates parang inaayos nila yung inmates, tapos yung sa reformation parang provide nila yung rehabilitation program na maayos yung criminal behavior and promote nila yung spiritual and personal growth. Tapos yung sumunod naman sa re-entry support, parang prepare nila yung inmate na sa reintegration into society through pre-release. Parang pag ni-release yung inmate na yun, sir, maayos na yung ugali niya, maayos na rin siya. Bucor various program, education training programs, work livelihood, moral, spiritual. Yung nagpo-provide sila ng educational, sir, pinag-aaral nila yung mga inmate o PDL na nanahawak pa nila para pag ni-release nila yun, sir, pwede na silang makahanap ng trabaho kasi meron na nakapag-aral sila. Tapos yung work livelihood naman, sir, yung habang nasa loob pa sila ng kulungan, gumagawa sila ng mga product na pwede nila pagkakitaan at pagkalibangan. Tapos yun sa moral and spiritual program naman, sir, sila yung nagka-counsel sa moral ng PDL na yun para mapalapit siya sa Diyos, sir, ganun. Significance. Bucor is crucial into the Philippines correctional system because it not only ensure the secure custody of national offenders but also actively works toward their rehabilitation and reintegration into society by providing opportunities for reformation and skill development. Bucor aims to reduce recidivism and contribute to a safer society.